Hello children, hope you all are good. Welcome back to today's class. See, today we are going to start the SA1 syllabus of English grammar. I hope you all have grammar books with you. Am I right? See, this is your grammar book. Okay, this is your grammar book. Look here, my dears. This is your grammar book. So, in FA1, we have completed lesson 1. Am I right? The name of lesson 1 is the alphabet. Am I right? Yes, I am right. Name of lesson 1 is the alphabet. So, now we are going to start the second lesson. Okay. And the second lesson is vowels and consonants. I know, my dear, you all know about vowels and consonants, about all the alphabets. Am I right? Yes. So, see, my dear, I'll once again explain you about the alphabet. Okay, alphabet. Alphabet. How many letters we have in English alphabet? How many letters we have? We have 26 letters. Very good. Am I right? We have 26 letters. In the previous videos, I hope I have explained you about into two forms we can write our alphabet. Two forms, capital and small. Am I right? And I have given another name for capital and small also. Capital letters are also called as uppercase letters and small letters is also called as lowercase letters. Am I right? Yeah. So, we can write these 26 letters in two forms. Capital letters and small letters. Now, my dear, in this second lesson, we are going to classify these 26 letters. These 26 letters, we are going to classify. Okay. Based on the sound, based on the phonetical sound, we are going to classify these 26 letters. Okay. And the classification is vowels and consonants. Okay. See, my dear, it's very interesting topic. Vowels and consonants are very interesting topic. Please listen to me properly. Listen to me very carefully. Okay, all this will help, the grammar will help you a lot in your future. Okay, so we are going to classify these 26 letters into two forms, vowels and consonants. Based on the phonetical sound, we have classified this. Okay, vowels and consonant. I know you all know the vowels very well. Can you tell me how many vowels we have? How many vowels we have? 2, 3, 4, 10. Then how many? Say loudly. 5 vowels. Very good. How many vowels we have? 5 vowels. 5 in number. And consonants? How many consonants we have? Now subtract from 26. Subtract 5 from 26. It's a maths. Don't go to maths now. Okay. 26. In these 26 letters, 5 are vowels. Remaining are consonants. And how many remains? 21. Very good. 5 are vowels and the 21 are consonants. Now, my dear, can you tell me what are vowels? What are these 5 letters? What are these 5 letters? Say loudly. Yeah. A, E, I and O. Then one more we have. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4 only we got. We have one more vowel. What is that? U. Very good. Look here. A, E, I, O, U. See, these 5 are vowels. We can write letters in 2 forms. Am I right? Small and capital. Now, I'll write these same in capital forms also. Okay? A, E, I, O, U. Okay, my dears. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are vowels. And the remaining 21, can I write here? Yeah, I will write, no problem. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Remaining these are consonants. Shall we count all these letters? Did they match with this number? Yeah, we will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. Wow, they are same. The 21 consonants and we have written the 21 letters also. 21 consonant letters also. Okay. Remember, these 5 are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 are vowels. And the remaining 21 letters are consonants. Okay, my dear. Now, look into the textbooks. Take your grammar book, open page number 4. Sorry, I haven't mentioned the page number here. Page number 4. Open page number 4. Okay. So now, here, small letters are given and these vowels are in red color. See, some red letters are given in the alphabet. Small letters. What are those? Please tell me. What are those? A, yeah, red colored. Read loudly the red colored letters. Read loudly. Read out. A, very good. E, I'll write it. Okay. We don't know what are those letters. I'll write it on the board. Okay. You have to read it loudly, my dears. What is the red colored letter in the first on that line? First letter? A. A. Is it A? Okay. A. Then? Okay. E. Then another red letter. I. Very good. O. O. And another letter? U. Now tell me, my dear, what is this? What are these 5 letters? What are those 5 letters? Those are vowels. Very good. Those are vowels. See, to differentiate, to show the difference, they are highlighted the vowels. Okay. Now, see, I'll give you some words on the board. You have to say what's the first letter is, whether it is vowel or consonant. Okay. Identify the first letter. whether it is a vowel or consonant. I'll write our school name only first. Tell me the first letter. What is the first letter? We have to write O. Sorry. B for vowel and C for consonant on the blank. If the first letter is vowel, then you have to write V here. If the first letter is consonant, then write C. Okay. Now tell me, what's the first letter? You have to write V for vowel and C for consonant. First letter. Montessori, M. Is it a vowel or consonant? Consonant. So, we have to write V there. What we have to write? C. If it is a consonant, then we have to write C. Very good. Next, pen. P-E-N, pen. P. First letter is P. Is it an vowel or consonant? Consonant. Then, board. B-O-A-R-T, board. B. B. It is a consonant itself. Chalk. C-H-A-L-K, chalk. C. Is it an vowel or consonant? It is a consonant. Orange. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. The first letter is O. Now, we want, these are vowels. Now, orange. O is in vowels. So, V. We have to write V for vowels. Then, egg. E-G-G, egg. E is an vowel or consonant? Vowel. Very good. Okay. Then, lion. Lion here. L. Is it L is there in these 5 letters? No. So, it is a consonant. Next, bag. Bag already, board already given. Bag. So, consonant itself. So, like that, you have to solve, my dear. See, here also one exercise given. Look at the first letters of these words. Write V for the vowel and C for consonant. Okay, first one, ant. First one is ant. A-N-T, ant. See the first letter? A. So it is an vowel. What we have to write then? What we have to write? And till I write on the board. You look into the textbook, and if you can solve, you can do. Okay, with pencil itself, not with pen. Now, what's the first letter? You have to just look at the first letter and identify whether it is an vowel or consonant. Okay? Now tell me, first word, ant. A-N-T, ant. See, first letter is A. Then, is it an vowel or consonant? It is an vowel. So, what we have to write? B in the bracket. Okay. Next, get. G-E-T, get. G is a consonant. Then C. I-N, in. See, I-N, in. I is in vowels. So, vowel. Next, long. L-O-N-G, long. L, is it in vowel? No. Is that letter in these 5 letters? No. So, it is a consonant. New. N-E-W. New. First letter is N. N is a consonant only. Next. U. Y-O-U. U. First letter is Y. Y is a consonant. U-P, up. U-P, up. The first letter is U. Look at the vowels. A-E-I-O-U. U is there in vowels. So, it is a vowel. Next, C. S-E-A. C. S. First letter is S. So, S is a consonant, not vowel. Okay. P. P-E-A. P. P is a consonant. Ice. I-C-E. Ice. The first letter is I. Look here, A-E-I-O-U. In the vowels, I is there. So, I is a vowel. Next, me. M-E, me. M, it is a consonant. What? W-H-A-T. What? W is a consonant. Fire. F-I-R-E. Fire. F. F is a consonant itself. Next, eel. E-E-L. Eel. The first letter is E. And E is there in vowels. So, E is a vowel. Next, kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. K is a consonant. Okay. So, this is your textbook work. Okay, my dears. So, my dear, once again I remind you about alphabets, vowels and consonants. How many alphabets we have? How many letters we have? We have 26 letters in English alphabet. Am I right? Yeah. We can write those 26 letters in 2 forms. Capital and small. And do you know, my dear, the arrangement of those letters in a particular order. See, can we write Z after A? Can we write M before B? No. So, all those letters are arranged in a particular order. Am I right? So, the name of that order is called ABC order. The name of that particular order is called ABC order. Okay. Or we can call it with another name also. ABC order, or we have one more name. Alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. Okay, my dears. See once again the arrangement of those 26 letters. The arrangement of 26 letters in a proper order is called alphabetical order or ABC order. Okay, now these 26 letters are classified into two forms, vowels and consonants. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are vowels and the remaining 21 are consonants. Okay, my dear. I hope you all have understood what I have explained till now. Okay, my dear. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.